No hose? No problem. These perennials thrive in pots and actually prefer dry conditions. Let's make your container garden drought-proof and gorgeous. No sweat required. Imagine walking past your patio and catching that soothing scent of lavender. It's like a mini vacation in Provence. This Mediterranean native isn't just beautiful, it's built for survival in the hottest, driest spots you can throw at it. In pots, lavender thrives when you let it dry out between waterings. Overwatering? That's the fastest way to kill it. Use gritty, well-draining soil and give it all the sun it wants. This plant lives for the heat. Best of all, it keeps on giving. You get fragrant foliage, soft purple blooms, and pollinators galore. Clip a few stems for tea or sachets, and let the rest just wave in the breeze like a lazy gardener's trophy. Sedum is your best friend if you forget to water, or if you're just done pretending you'll remember. With succulent-like leaves and clusters of tiny flowers, it adds interesting texture without demanding attention. There are upright and trailing varieties perfect for pots. Try pairing different shapes together for a mini rock garden look on your porch. They store water in their leaves, so dry spells are no problem. And guess what? Sedum comes back year after year, quietly toughing it out in even the smallest containers. Looking for a big, billowy presence in your pot without babysitting it? Russian sage is your guy. Its airy lavender blue flowers and silvery stems create a dreamy look. No irrigation required. It thrives in hot sun and poor soil, which makes it ideal for big patio containers. Just make sure your pot is deep enough to support its woody roots and give it space to breathe. Russian sage also resists deer and attracts pollinators, making it both beautiful and practical. It's like a cloud of color that thrives on sunshine and tough love. Euphorbia is that quirky cousin in your plant collection, unexpected, sculptural, and surprisingly chill. Its unique shapes and colors add visual interest to any pot setup. It handles drought like a pro. Many varieties have a milky sap and tough stems that store water. And the blooms, though not always traditional, are long-lasting and eye-catching. Just handle with care, gloves on, because the sap can be irritating. Beyond that, Euphorbia is pure gold for lazy gardeners who want style without the stress. Agastache brings buzzing pollinators and bold color to your patio, all while shrugging off heat and drought. The upright spikes of flowers bloom non-stop through summer. These plants love full sun and don't like wet feet. Perfect in terracotta pots with well-drained soil. Water it deeply once, and it'll coast through the week like a champ. Bonus: the leaves often smell minty or licorice-like, making it a sensory treat every time you brush by. Hummingbirds will thank you, and so will your future self. Yarrow is the definition of plant it and forget it. With feathery foliage and flat-topped blooms in cheerful colors, it looks far fussier than it is. Great for shallow containers and full sun, Yarrow resents overwatering. It actually performs better in lean soil and dry conditions, which makes it ideal for minimalist care. Once in bloom, it attracts butterflies and makes lovely cut flowers. It's like having a wild meadow in a pot, minus the weeding. Salvias are powerhouse bloomers that adore sun and hate soggy roots. Perfect combo for container life. Their spiky flowers range from deep purples to fiery reds. They're drought-resistant, pollinator magnets, and thrive even in less than perfect soil. Cut them back after the first bloom flush, and they'll reward you with more color. Try mixing salvias with trailing plants in a big pot for drama and ease. You'll look like a garden pro with half the effort. Want instant color that won't quit? Gaillardia delivers fiery tones all season long, and it does so on almost no water. These cheerful blooms look great spilling over pot edges. Gaillardia is tough as nails once established, and can handle full sun and dry spells like a champ. It's also short-lived, but recedes easily and pops back without help. You'll get a carefree cascade of blooms every summer without lifting a finger. Coreopsis is like the golden retriever of perennials. Cheerful, easygoing, and always brightening your day. These sunny yellow, and sometimes pink, blooms love sun and hate wet soil. In containers, they thrive with a bit of neglect and keep blooming if you deadhead occasionally. The fine foliage adds a light, airy feel to any combo. It's also a native favorite, meaning it supports local bees and butterflies while asking for very little in return. That's smart gardening. Penstemon adds height, color, and pollinator appeal to pots without guzzling water. Its tubular flowers come in pinks, purples, and reds, dancing on upright stems. They're especially well-suited for dry zones and sandy soil, making them excellent for drought-tolerant containers. And they'll bloom their heads off with just occasional care. Pair them with lower-growing plants for a balanced container look. Your summer patio will thank you with hummingbirds. And there you have it, proof that you can have a lush, thriving garden without the daily watering chore. These drought-tolerant perennials are perfect for anyone who wants maximum beauty with minimum effort. So whether you're short on time, living in a hot climate, or just want to keep things simple, your pots can still bloom brilliantly. Hit that like button if you found a new plant to try, and don't forget to subscribe for more lazy gardener magic. See you in the next one.